Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. So today I bring you this spotlight halo makeup look that I did. I really hope that you guys like it. I don't know if you noticed that I've been changing around like my camera setups and my background. It's kind of the same, it's just that I've been playing around with it. I really hope that you guys like it. I'm sorry if the light changes through this video. I started recording like really late in the afternoon and now it's nighttime and I hope that you don't mind. So yeah, if you guys like this makeup, again, if you guys like me, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. So if you guys want to see this makeup, please keep watching. So I will be starting off with the MAC Fix Plus to refresh my skin. After that, I'll be moving to brows, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Deep Brown. I'm going to fill in my brows starting from the tail, and whatever's left on the brush, I like to use it at the beginning of my brow for that faded effect. I'll be cleaning up my brows, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I really like this concealer because of the brush that it has. I feel like it's perfect for cleaning up the brows. I'm just going to blend it out. And I'll be moving on to eye primer, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I'm going to blend it with the same brush. Next, I'll be moving on to shadows, and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection in the Vault. And I'm going to start with the color Rush, and I'm going to pack it in the outer V of my eye, and I'm going to also pack it on the inner corner of my eye for that spotlight and halo effect, of course, and kind of connect it on the top of my eye so it won't look like independent from each other. I'm just going to blend it with a clean blending brush. I will do this step a few times until I get the pigmentation that I want. After that, I'll be using the color Alert to make the shadows a little deeper, and I'm going again to back it on the outer V and inner V of my eyes, and again connect it at the top. Again, I will be blending it with the same brush that I was using so everything looks seamless. And I'm going to use the color Secret to make it a little bit darker. And again, blending it with the same brush. Here I'm just making sure that the edges look really sharp. And I'm taking a new blending brush and blending everything together, so as I said, it looks seamless. Now I'm just going to use the NYX pigment primer. I like to use this, I know that this is for pigment, but I like to use this on like any shadows. I feel like it makes my shadows stand out a little bit more. And I'm going to kind of blend it with my finger. Then I'll be taking this packing brush and I'm going to use the color on camera, which is like a gold shimmer, and I'm going to place that on the center of my lid. And taking the color Alert to blend everything together. And blending everything away. So now just going to apply lashes. I like to place them at the center of my eye and just take the corners and perfect them. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash, which I really love. Also going to be highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone with the Maybelline Molten Gold. This is the eyes all done. I'm going to move on to primer. And as you guys know, I love, love, love the NYX Angel Veil. And for foundation, I'm going to use my favorite, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. I'm going to be blending everything away with this sponge. And for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, which is one of my favorites as well. I'm going to place it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, on my chin, above my lip, and on the sides of my face, like under the contour, to do reverse contour. And I'm going to be blending everything away again with this sponge. Then I'm going to move on to setting, and I'm going to use the Coty Air Spun. This is a really hardcore powder, but I really love it. But I don't let it sit as much as I would with another powder, just because it's a little bit drying. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer in Caramel. I don't really like to do contour, so I just bronze my face, and that's pretty much it. But I kind of bronze my nose and do like the same like contour thing. So for blush, I'm going to use this palette. I really don't know which brand this is or the names of the colors. I really don't know. This was gifted to me, so I'm sorry. For my under lash line, I'm going to use the shade Secret again with the flat brush, and then I'm going to use the first brush that I was using, and I'm going to take the color Alert and blend everything away. After that, I'll be setting my makeup with the Marbadescu cucumber facial spray. I don't know And I'm going to highlight my face with the James Charles palette, and this is a shadow actually in the shade Face, and I really think that this is the best highlighter, at least for my skin tone. Like, it's my favorite. I use it as much as I can. I'm going to be highlighting my nose as well, the Cupid's bow, and everywhere else that you need highlighter. I forgot to put chapstick on, but I'm applying it now. Then I'm going to line my lips with this brown liner. And lastly, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hudson lipstick. So this is the look that I came up with. I really hope that you guys like it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel as always if you guys like my videos, if you guys like me. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.